So Monday morning when that headache came and that statement came to my mind that what are you making yourself wrong for? And I realized I was late by 15 minutes. And I hate myself being late. And I would always say I could have managed the time well. I could have done something lesser. I could have done something better. I could have stayed up late. कुछ तो कर ही सकती थी कि I would have reached on time. Now, even if the clinic is empty, I don't care. If it's 9 on that board, I should be at 9 in the clinic. But I just said, okay, I know I'm late, fair. And that day I didn't get a headache. It was like an aha for me that how come I don't have a headache?
So the logical mind wants to question that ये कैसे हुआ?
Correct. I still didn't want to buy the book. I was too proud. But then that week again, every week we used to have bookstore visits. So this time we were going through crossword.
Was Friday night date good that time?
I don't remember. It was only Monday. But Wednesday or Thursday I went. I got that book.
Okay. That same week.
Yeah, that same week. Because every week we used to go one of the days to one of the bookstores. So I got the book. I got that entire set for myself. And I found the courage to read it. And the moment I started reading it, I could not put it down. And then I found myself keeping that book on my left-hand side of my, that
bedside.
Yeah, not my bedside, my clinic.
Okay, the work table, right.
And with every patient would come in, I would listen to them, I would talk to them. Being a family physician, I had that advantage of listening to their stories.
It's not numbers, right?
Yeah. And for me, it was always, I was always, again, a black sheep in the family medicine also, because it's never about just the symptoms and treatment. It was always about what's going on in your house, housework, what's happening with the kids, what's happening with your parents. And that's when I started seeing is that, gastritis means uncertainty. So I would slowly open the book and try to see what is written. तब तो फ़ोन और गूगल और वो सब नहीं हुआ करता था. And then I would say how's work? No, job में बहुत uncertainty है. I still remember तभी वो कुछ Vodafone के पहले क्या था?
Idea.
Orange color thingy.
Orange.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, orange.
And that fellow was telling me how hard it is for him, how uncertain things are. And then I was like, no doubt you have gastritis. Gastritis is uncertainty. So I would give them medicines. I would listen to their stories and I would just kind of casually put in an affirmation, not even ask them to practice it, but I was like, don't worry, kuch na kuch to ho hi jayega. It's not the first time in history that uncertainty is coming. Right? And then a patient called up saying is that, I forgot the medicines in your clinic only. On my way back from work, I will pick it up.